Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, we discuss with you how to fix Captcha error in Chrome. But first, check a special offer in the description. So let's get started. Now, if you're having issues with your Chrome browser and you're having issues accessing or complete those Captcha, well, there are a few things that you may want to check here. Now, the first thing that you want to do is you want to check your extensions. Now, sometimes your extensions, especially for newly installed ones, they may interfere with Captcha. So at the top right here, you want to go and click on the three-dotted option in your browser. And you want to look for extensions, hover over it, and you want to go and choose the option that says Manage Extensions. Now, if you've recently installed a extension here and you notice that issue suddenly pops up, you may want to turn off or disable it, or basically click on the Remove button in here. Now, typically, once you've done this, either disabling or removing it completely and restarting Chrome, that should resolve your issue. But if this does not resolve your issue, I would highly recommend you to turn off all of the existing extension you currently have right now. So once you've turned them off, again, restart Chrome and see if that helps. Now, if that doesn't help, the next thing that you want to do here is you may want to check your settings inside Chrome. So the top right, again, you want to go and click on the three-dotted option, and you want to go and choose the settings option. Now, inside settings, you want to go to the left side, and you first want to access privacy and security. Inside privacy and security, you want to go and choose delete browsing data. Now, inside deleting your browsing data here, this pop-up here, I would highly recommend you to choose the option here that says all time, or at least 4 weeks. Now, sometimes if your information is too much, like for example, you visited a lot of websites and you haven't cleared your data for, let's just say, a year or two, well, this will overload Chrome. And sometimes this will prevent you completing those Captcha. So in this case, you want to go and just select everything that you see here, or at least browsing history, cookies and other site data, cache images and files, and download history. Now, other than that, you can go and keep them unchecked if you want, but again, I would highly recommend you to check everything here. Now, once you have this, go and click on delete data at the bottom right here, wait for a few seconds, and that should solve your issue. So just make sure to restart your browser before proceeding or checking again. And also, you may want to go to the About Chrome section at the bottom left here, and just make sure that Chrome is fully updated. Now, usually if you visit the About section, this will basically automatically check for updates and install them from you. Now, if you do see the relaunch, go and click on relaunch here, or manually restart your Chrome browser and see if that actually helps. Now, if none of this actually work, the final and last thing that you may want to do here is you may want to reset your browser. Now, if you click on the reset settings at the left side here, this will give you the option that says restore settings to their original defaults. Now, keep in mind, this will restore or basically reset your browser. So any tabs or save or bookmark or any extensions that have installed on your browser here will be removed. So in this case, I would highly recommend you to back up everything, maybe associate those details or bookmarks into a Google account so that you'll be able to still access them later on. But yeah, so in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video, feel free to like and share button and watch our next video.